The snow is deep, the road is long, and the work is just beginning. We head out into the woods to plan the next move, and Becca buys a tractor. But when the delivery driver buries it in the trail, the adventure kicks into high gear. We scramble to buy a snowmobile, fight to free the machine, and stash it off the trail the best we can for now. Then it's back home to regroup and rethink the plan. Stay tuned, later in this episode we'll tease some of the wild things we've got coming this season, all to get one step closer to that off-grid life we've been chasing.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. Okay.
We finally got some shared time off, a rare chance to be together out here building the dream. This is a special time for Becca and me. We hit the road with no rush, chatting in our little trailer, eating up soup, sleeping when we're tired, just taking it slow. After a long day of travel and a good night's rest, we reach the trailhead. For Becca, this is all new. She's never seen this land before. I walked it alone in the summer, through thick bush and stubborn ground, but winter changes everything. Now the landscape is quiet, stripped down, honest. Just the crunch of snow underfoot, the soft swish of snow pants, and the stillness of a world asleep. Most of the critters have curled up for the season, but we've just begun.
This is noon in December. Wow, the sun's not very high.
This is the road to our land. We are more than 1/3. We hiked more than 1/3.
We'll come back tomorrow.
We come back tomorrow and do the rest. This is how it looks like. That part is the snowmobile trail. Then we go to this side, and this is the walking trail. Take us to our land.
So here we are, we're at the halfway point. We're gonna turn back. We did like a lot of kind of videography, let's say, and some exploring, and yeah, so we're here for 2 days, so we wanna kind of gear up and, you know, get ready for the adventure tomorrow. So we're gonna head back. It's about a foot of snow we've got over top, like a layer of ice. So it's just, I mean, we're gonna try the snowshoes, but yeah, but it may or may not be better. We'll have to see, because again, it's only a foot and it's very light powder. So the question is, like, is the weight of the snowshoes going to be worth the fact that we're not dragging our feet through very fluffy powder? It's hard to say. So anyways, okay, here we go on the way back.
Well, where do I even begin? We went to see a guy about a tractor, one we were hoping to bring in once the spring thaw came. But he was confident. He said he could drive it in, no problem. Turns out, it was a problem. He got it stuck halfway in, then just left. This is not what we bargained for, which is why we felt compelled to hike all the way in. It felt longer than a marathon. The snow deepened with every step, and the deeper it got, the more we realized how far we still had to go. Even with the straps and come along, the tractor wouldn't budge. We tried everything, but it was stuck for good. Defeated, we hiked back out to regroup and come up with a new plan. Overnight, we found a snowmobile for sale. By morning, we'd rented a trailer, loaded up on supplies, and hit the road again.
The guy who was bringing the tractor in got it stuck. Exactly what I said was going to happen was, let's wait till May. You know, bring it in when the muskegg's frozen. Oh no, I got a backhoe. Like, if it gets stuck, you know, we can pull it out. Well, he drove it in. As soon as it got stuck, he was like, nothing I can do. Can't drive the backhoe in there because it's going to get stuck. It's all right. So he just left us in a lurch. So we've been spending the last couple days doing our best to see if we can get it out. And I feel like today's probably going to be the last day that we can realistically get stuff out of there. We've got a bunch of implements of destruction to try and pull this thing out. So we'll see how it goes. We had to buy a snowmobile. This is our new Tundra. It's a lot easier than hiking in, we found. So we're gonna go in again and see if we can yank that tractor out of the hole, get it somewhere safe for the winter. That's basically what we're gonna try and do. So we're gonna work together, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, this is where the guy left it. It's frozen in to the muskeg, so I'm gonna try and chip the ice away. I want to back it out, so chip the ice away from the wheels, and I want to see if I can possibly lift the front wheels out of the ground, but I don't have a lot of hope because it's ice and it's just gonna break when I try and jack it. But we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna give it the old college heave ho. If not, I don't know. We'll winch it. We got some straps and it come along. But if the wheels are down in the ice, we will not be able to get it. So jacking it out up didn't work. Trying to get the wheels out a little bit, it was a no-go. So kind of like I think one last chance. The wheels are slipping, back tires are slipping. So what I've done is chained into the wheels, both sides, and then the chain goes to ratchet strap, another ratchet strap. Yeah, 3,000 pound capacity. I don't remember the ratchet, but it's doubled over, so that should be 6. And I got these big ratchets, or big nylon straps going to that pine tree. So I may pull the pine tree over. I may wreck the wheels of the tractor. May snap the nylon webbing. We just don't know. That's the excitement of this. So let me see if I can get the tractor started.
Yeah, I just hold it. It can be dangerous, but kind of.
Yeah, it's tight.
Yeah.
So that was pretty good. We got it out of the hole at least. I'll see if I can get it a little bit farther back.
I said it is out.
Did it go right back in?
A little bit. Not much. Look at
No,
it.
it went all the way in. Okay, so we lost a little ground after the last one. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, right? So let's give it another go. Well, so it looked like that worked, eh?
Yeah.
Hey?
Very good.
Very good? Yeah.
Bangladesh.
Bezang that. Okay. Yeah, it looks like so that technique worked. Not the best
I think it's the best
idea, but like it worked, right? So yeah. So yeah, we're not out of the woods yet. We're not out of the woods yet.
Coming up in the next few episodes, I head back alone to move the tractor farther off the trail so it's safe for winter. When spring hits, I return with a buddy to haul it out before the thaw sets in, but it doesn't go smoothly. Some guys keep trying to steal the machine, and it takes days of back and forth before I finally get the tractor onto our land. Then Becca and I return for a proper visit. No rush, just time to reconnect with the place we're building. And before the season's over, I set out to shorten the journey with a vehicle that won't get stuck in the muskeg.
Gonna do with it now.
The truth is, the first time I ever drove a tractor, it had its front wheels frozen deep in muskeg. Not exactly ideal. Looking back now, it's hard to watch. I didn't know what I was doing yet. But we stuck with it. We went from feeling pretty low to feeling like maybe we could do this together. There's something about having someone beside you, not just helping, but with you. Through the worst of it and the best. Someone who laughs when it finally works and doesn't mind if you cry a little when it doesn't. We got that tractor off the trail, found it a resting spot, and for the second time, it felt like we were getting somewhere.